A dog is initially at rest, so u equals to 0. He sees a squirrel and runs after it. After gaining speed at a constant rate of 2.3 meter per second squared, the acceleration for 4 seconds the time he stops running. How far did the dog ran during the 4 second interval? So they're asking for S, the displacement. Assume the dog runs in a straight line, enter your answer to the 10th. Okay, so we know that S equals to ut plus half at squared, and u is 0 because the dog starts from rest, and if you have a 0 multiplying with t, the entire thing becomes 0. So essentially s equals half time acceleration, which is 2.3 times the speed, the time, which is 4 square. So half into acceleration 2.3 times 4 squared. This will be our answer. Let's see. So half multiplied by 2.3 times 4 square. So 2.3 times 4 square. 18.4. So we have to give our answer to the 10th. Okay, so what do we have? We have 18.4. So 18.4, this is ones, and this is 10th. So 18.4 is our answer. 18.4.